Hey guys, in today's video guys, I'll be showing you a secret app that makes me 2000 naira daily and over 280,000 naira monthly. So guys, if you are someone who is just seeing me on the internet, on YouTube right here for the first time, my name is Ola. I'm an internet marketer. I make most of my money online, especially on YouTube right here, and I also teach people how to make money online with their smartphone in whatever country you are. So if you are someone who is interested in making money for yourself, because that's what I do here, I drop tutorials, video tutorials on how to make money. So if you're someone who would like to start making money for yourself, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications so that you will be notified anytime I drop awesome videos on about how to make some money online, guys. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you live proof to tell you the person you're about to learn from is someone who has an experience and someone who preaches what it does. I've done it, it has worked for me, and it has also worked for others. So guys, let's get right straight into this video. So, and if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe right now and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I drop awesome video on how to make money online. So guys, yeah, let's go. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys proof. So you can see right here, I'm on my transaction history right here on the app. So these are my earnings from the app. You can see right here, this is a withdrawal fee of 2000 naira, 2000 naira. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, let me refresh this. You see right here, I'm refreshing this. Okay, so you can see this is a fee of withdrawal fee of 2000 naira 500. 3000 naira, and so let me scroll down. You can see right here a withdrawal fee of 25,000 naira, 4,500 naira, and this for October alone. And yeah, this, let me come back to September. You can see right here there is a withdrawal fee of 50,000 naira, a withdrawal fee of 35,000 naira, um a withdrawal fee of 2,000, 3,200 naira. August, a withdrawal fee of 2,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 6,000 naira. So to tell you that I've really make a lot of money from this app, because right here, if I keep on scrolling, you could see 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 500, 5,000 naira, 5,200, 7,200, 5,000. This is because right here another withdrawal fee of 30,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira. And yeah, you could see right here the money just keep on going. 2,500, 10,000 naira, 3,800. You see right here the money just keeps on going and going and going. Because right here I really made a lot of money from this app. To tell you, the person you're about to learn from, it's someone who has experience and someone who has done what is about to teach you right here. So you can see right here just keep on scrolling. Okay, it's loading. Okay, okay, I think, okay, yeah. So this is all of my earnings I've made from this app. You can see right here. Yeah, so I've really made a lot of money from this app. 50,000, 35,000, 25,000, and a lot and a lot. So if I keep on scrolling down, you can see right here I'm refreshing it to tell you this is not some scam. Keep on refreshing it, and yeah, it's the money is still intact. So that was how I was able to make over 280,000 naira from this app. And also I'm also on the number 7th of the top earners from this app. I'll be showing you guys that soon. But first, I'll be showing you how to create an account, how to set up everything, how to set up your payment method from this app, so you could start earning from this app. And also, I'll be showing you the traffic source I use in in making a lot of money from this app. So, guys, let's go. Yeah, so guys, like I said, the name of this app is called palmpay, guys, and I know some of you may have heard about this app and some of you may not. For those of you who are not about the app, and by the way, yeah, the link to this app is in the description below. It is the first link in the description below. So once you click on the link in the description below, you'll be given a 100 naira recharge card, and also 600 and almost 600 naira welcome bonus once you use my referral link, because my link is a special link. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to create an account. So yeah, once you click on the link below, once you click on the link in the description below, it is the first link in the description below. So it's going to redirect you to this page. Let me quickly show you the page. Yeah, so once you click on the link in the description below, the first link in the description below, you'll be redirected right here. You'll be asked to fill in your phone number right here. So once you are done filling in your phone number, you have to press the get sign up bonus. So once you press the get sign up bonus, you'll be redirected to your Play Store or Apple Store in order to download the app for those of us who are new to palmpay. But if you know you already have an account with this, it's not going to work for you. It's only for those who are new to palmpay. So yeah, so you have to download the app. So once you are done download the app, let me quickly show you how the app looks like on my phone right here. Yeah, so this is how the app literally looks like. This is the app. So once you are done downloading the app, you just need to click on it. So I'll be showing you how to create an account right here. So yeah, so this is how the app looks like. So all you just need is to go down to the me section at the down corner right here to create an account. And so you will be asked to either you sign in, you log in, so you have to click on the sign up button. So once you click on it, um you will be asked to put in your phone number, and remember, is the phone number you inputted on the browser. On once you remember when you guys click on the link, so is the phone number you are going to put on here, so that in order to claim your referral bonus, the same phone number you use on your Chrome browser is the same number you're going to use right here. So once you use your phone number, you just have to click on the sign up button, and you can see right here, once you sign up, you'll be given 100 naira recharge card. Yeah, and you'll be given another recharge card, and also 620 naira as a welcome bonus. This because you use my link, so I would advise you use the link, the first link in the description, in order to sign up for palmpay to create an account. So you will also be so yeah, so once that is done, yeah, okay, let me quickly show you the whole process of signing up. So let me quickly input my phone number right here, and yeah. Okay, it's already saying I already have an account before. So once you just click on it, you'll be asked to put in your first name, your legal name, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and that all. So yeah, and also I'll be dropping a invitation code. Yeah, so you have to use my invitation code in order to able to get your bonus. So I'll be dropping the invitation code in the link below. But in case I do not, maybe I forget to do that, you could just type it in the comment section and telling me to give you the invitation code. And yeah, so make sure you have to put in your name, the name on your ID card, your NIN or your voter's card, or the name on your bank account. So yeah, guys, so by the way, I just logged into my account right now. So once you're done creating your account, this is how your account is going to look like. And by the way, if you are still feeling insecure about palmpay, you could go on Google, go on YouTube, and do your research, do your findings about palmpay. If you know you still don't, you still don't trust them, so you could go on Google, do your research. But as for me, I've been using palmpay for the past 2 years now, and it has been working perfectly fine. So palmpay is just an e-banking platform where you can make transfers, pay your bills, buy airtimes, and all that kind of stuff on palmpay. But that is not what we are really interested in right now. What we are really interested in is making money on palmpay. So in order to start making money on palmpay right now, you just need to go to the refer and earn program right here. Just click on the refer and earn program. So it's right here. So once you click on it, so you could see right here, people are really making tons of money from palmpay. You could see right here, someone just got 2,000 right now. Someone just got 700, some 700 right now. You could see right here, people are really making money. Money keep on coming and coming. So yeah, so let me quickly show you something right here. So let me click on the top earners to see the top earners. So you could see right here, these are the top earners from palmpay. You could see right here, someone just made over 490,000 naira from palmpay. This is another 69,000 naira again from palmpay. You could see right now 300 and almost 300,000 naira. You could see right here, people just keep on making money and money. So, like I told you earlier, that I'm one of the top earners on palmpay. You could see right here, I'm the number 7 on the list. You could see right here, this is the amount I've made, and you could see right here, this is my name. So this is my surname. So yeah, so that is just it. All you need is to just grab your link and start inviting. I know you might be wondering, okay, I do not have a lot of people. How can I find a lot of people to invite? Don't worry, guys. I got you covered. I'm going to revealing the traffic source I use in, getting a lot of people to sign up with palmpay. But my number one recommendation is, once you get your referral link right here, you should at least invite those on your WhatsApp contact. At least that is the most important thing first. Invite those on your WhatsApp contact. Then once you are done doing that, I'm going to reveal the number one traffic source I use. So, and by the way, once you invite someone, your invitees also got 1,000 got 100 naira recharge card. So once they register, I'm just going to credit them 100 naira recharge card. And by the way, once you use my link, you're also going to get 100 naira recharge card and also 620 naira as a welcome bonus, because my link is a special link. So just click on the link in the description right now to sign up with palmpay. And yeah, guys, I'll be revealing the traffic source I use. So the traffic source I used was just Facebook. So everybody has a Facebook account. All you just need is to join a bunch of Facebook group about how to make money online. So you could join them. And also, if you have some friends on Facebook, because I have a lot of friends on my Facebook, so I just I try to tell them about palmpay. I tell them about palmpay. So I send them my link. So that was how I was able to generate over 280,000 naira using palmpay. So my number two traffic source is Instagram, and my number three traffic source is Twitter right here. So you could see right here, this is my Twitter account. So you could see right here, you could just try to invite you could try to invite people from Twitter, right? So just click on your Twitter to find people, tell people about palmpay, send them your link, tell them you can make money from palmpay and all of that. So that was how I was able to make a lot of money from palmpay. And if you know you have gotten any value from this video, turn on the notification, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, and also share to your friends and family, so that they will be notified whenever I drop us a video. And also, guys, I would advise you to please go follow me on my social media page on Twitter. You could write here, it's Ola on this. So that is my username, it's Ola on this. And also, guys, I'll be dropping a in my next video, I'll be dropping a video on how you can make your first $2,000 online. If you know you are someone who want to start earning some money in dollars, so I would advise you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification, so that you'll be notified whenever I drop the video. So guys, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.